What is incident response? Incident response is the structured methodology organizations use to prepare for, detect, contain, eradicate, and recover from cybersecurity incidents. Instead of reacting chaotically during a breach, mature IR programs follow a repeatable process that minimizes damage, preserves critical evidence, and restores operations as quickly as possible. At its core, incident response is about speed. Because every minute an attacker remains undetected increases the likelihood of data theft, system compromise, and long-term persistence. Effective incident response limits the attacker's dwell time, reduces organizational risk, and prevents small incidents from escalating into full-scale crises. A strong IR strategy includes several essential components: preparing teams and systems before an incident, detecting suspicious activity early, isolating affected assets to stop the spread, eradicating the root cause, and restoring normal business operations safely and efficiently. By combining preparation, rapid detection, disciplined workflows, and continuous improvement, incident response becomes a powerful defense mechanism, helping cybersecurity teams stay ahead of evolving threats while reducing operational and financial impact. Want to learn more? Visit arcticwolf.com and explore our cybersecurity glossary to stay informed and defend against evolving threats.